Hey travelers, if you're getting ready for your very first cruise, you're in for an incredible adventure. But before you set sail, there are a few things you definitely want to know to make the most of your trip. From insider tricks to time-saving hacks, here are 9 must-know tips for every new cruiser. Let's dive in. Number 1. Arrive the day before your cruise departs. If you need to fly into your departure port, plan on arriving the day before embarkation. Flight delays and cancellations are common, and you don't want to risk missing your cruise. Give yourself that buffer day means peace of mind and a much less stressful start to your vacation. Number 2. Book restaurants and shows as soon as you board. Most cruise lines only allow you to make reservations for specialty restaurants and certain shows once you're on board. Download the Cruise Lines app ahead of time to make bookings easier, or use the interactive kiosks located around the ship. If you have any dietary restrictions or specific seating needs in the main dining room, seek out the head maitre d' shortly after boarding. They can accommodate special requests right away. Number 3. Consider upgrading to a private enclave. If you're looking for a more exclusive experience, whether traveling solo or as a couple or with kids, look into your ship's private enclave options. These premium areas, often described as a ship within a ship, include perks like private lounges, pools, dining rooms, and sometimes butler service, and even priority seating at shows. Number 4. Treat yourself to breakfast in bed. Nothing says vacation like breakfast on your balcony while watching the ocean go by. The morning buffet can be busy and overwhelming, especially during peak hours. Take advantage of room service. Most cruise lines offer everything from continental breakfast to full hot meals delivered right to your cabin. Number 5. Explore the back of the ship. The ship's aft is often overlooked, but can be one of the most relaxing spots on board. Watching the wake trails behind the ship is both mesmerizing and peaceful. Many ships also feature pools, bars, lounges, and dining venues at the back, making it the perfect hidden spot to unwind. Number 6. Consider skipping a port day to enjoy the ship. Staying aboard while everyone else is ashore has its perks. Pools, hot tubs, and popular areas are often less crowded, and it's often easier to snag a last-minute reservation at a specialty restaurant. Just note that while some entertainment is still available, bars and casinos may have limited hours while the ship is in port. Number 7. Pack outfits for theme nights. Most major cruise lines host fun theme nights like white parties, 70s and 80s throwback nights, or country western evenings. Before you sail, join social media groups for your ship and specific sail dates. You'll find helpful tips, theme night details, and insider information from past cruisers. Number 8. Book excursions through the cruise line. While you can book port excursions independently, booking through the cruise line comes with big advantages. If your tour runs late, the ship is required to wait for you, unlike third-party excursions, where the ship can leave without you. Booking directly also makes it easier to cancel or change plans if needed. Popular excursions often sell out before sailing, so reserve your spot early through the cruise line's website. Number 9. Splurge on one special experience. Make your trip unforgettable by treating yourself to something unique, like a chef's table dinner, a couple's massage, or a thrilling adventure such as climbing the ship's observation tower. Cruises offer plenty of one-of-a-kind experiences, so plan at least one memorable indulgence during your voyage. And that's it. 9 things to know before you set sail on your very first cruise. Follow these tips and you'll be cruising like a pro in no time. And if you're ready to plan your own amazing vacation at sea, Captain Compass Travel and Cruise is here to help. We'll find you the best ship, itinerary, and insider perks to make your trip unforgettable. Call or email us today and let us start planning your dream cruise adventure. Until next time, this is Captain Compass, and happy cruising!